warming up the grill for supper, and I'm gonna try to make a cake on the top. What do you think? I don't know how. We'll see. So my pan is in the oven getting seasoned. Let's see how it goes. And let's add our stuff. 1 cup of water. Oil. 3 eggs. You know what? Let's put the eggs in here and mix them up real quick. Just until mixed so you get all that light, fluffy goodness. Let's grab this Dutch oven. Oven off. These are quite heavy. They have to be. All right. Parchment paper. I'm going to line the bottom with parchment paper. So you guys, again, this is parchment paper, not wax paper. Using my oven mitt, I'm going to push this down in my, not my oven mitt. So using my pot holder, I'm just going to put them down in there. We already have our batter mixed up, so I'm just going to pour it. Oopsie, where are you guys going? Hold on. And put it in there. Now I know it's not going to be a huge, you know, regular size round cake pan. I'm fine with that. Cake pan. Cake. I'm perfectly happy with that. I want to learn how to cook more, like I had mentioned before, on a campfire. And the easiest way I feel to start learning is over my pellet grill outside. So let's take this cake outside and put it on the pellet grill. All right, so I just put it on there, and what we're gonna do is let it cook. Just let it cook. Supper's already in the oven. I so didn't mean the oven. I meant supper is in the pellet grill. Oh my goodness, it smells yummy, and we'll see how this turns out. You guys, remember, if you're gonna do this, try this. I don't even know if it's gonna work, but if you're gonna try this, remember this is extremely hot. Extremely hot. And we are using, what kind of pellets are we using, just in case you're interested? So we have this little tote down here that we have outside, and we are using for this tonight's supper. Well, sure we are. It is, oh, it's up here. Duh. Sweet blend. We picked this up from Walmart. Yeah, we did. Oh, it smells great. So I need this little stool so I can look in there. So let's get this and look. Okay, so again, big kids, little kids, Don't fall on your butt. Pay attention to what you're doing. And I shouldn't be opening this yet, but I'm going to. I want to see what it's doing. It's very warm up here. Ooh, can you see it starting to bubble? Yes. Okay. Oh my gosh. Close it. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, our cake is done, you guys. So this is what it looks like. I got a little bit of ashes on there from when I took it out, but no big deal. So now we're going to put it on a plate-ish type thing. So Larry's idea is just to pull it out.
I don't know if it's going to work.
This here might be warm.
Help me flip this.
You can just put it normal, actually. Oh, that looks really good. Here's a knife.
Stick it on a little bit.
Wonder if we should let it cool before we try to slice it. No, heck no. Let's slice it and
I
put...
should let it cool a little bit because it looks crumbly.
Alright, let me get a couple plates. We'll let it cool. We'll get a couple plates. And how's it taste?
Awesome.
Really? Let me try. Oh, yeah, it's totally awesome. Okay.
Spatula there?
Yeah, right here, actually.
It's like a big pancake.
It is.
I'm going to get off a bit.
That's okay. It's okay for a little bit. I mean, it's the first time. May not be perfect. Looks really good. It smells amazing. Oh, it is so perfect.
Oh, wait, crumbs are going down in that hole.
Okay. You guys, wish you could smell it. Let's taste it. That was super yummy.
Awesome.
Larry says it's awesome too. So first time cooking in a Dutch oven.
100% good.
Thank you. First time cooking in a cast iron Dutch oven on the top of a pellet grill. Yellow cake. Oh, yeah, yummy. If you like this type of content, please give my video a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Most of all, I hope you have the best day ever.